Warning: please read the warnings we make in the More Information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein. Look what happens when you do this. In addition to moisturizing the skin and preventing wrinkles, thanks to the banana peel we can eliminate bruises. Place it on the affected area to accelerate its healing. The banana peel is also beneficial for many aspects of our health. We tell you some uses of the banana peel so you can make the most of all its benefits. 1. Get rid of the warts. To carry it out, you will need a bandage and a piece of skin. Cut a piece of skin, apply the internal part on the wart and attach it with a bandage. Leave on all night. The next day, remove the bandages and let the skin breathe. At night, repeat the procedure. Perform daily until the wart detaches. 2. Against acne. In just a few minutes, you will have a mask against acne able to regenerate the skin, prevent scars and without causing any type of skin damage. You can even carry it out if you want to prevent or fight wrinkles, and as a moisturizing mask. Clean your face very well with water and neutral soap. Then rub the inside of the shell over the entire face, for a few seconds covering the entire surface. When it dries, you will feel the skin more tense. Leave on for 30 minutes and then rinse with warm water. 3. As a cleaning detergent. The uses of banana peel are not limited only to beauty tasks. You can also use it to polish furniture, silverware or leather shoes. Rub the outer part of the shell on all the items to be polished, as long as they have a smooth surface. 4. To whiten the teeth. Daily, twice a day, rub the inside of the banana peel on the entire tooth surface. In a few weeks you will notice amazing results. 5. To treat insect bites. You can crush a little shell with a little olive oil and apply over the bites to relieve pain, itching and inflammation. It also works to prevent redness or rashes. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.